Hello, Jamb 2010 Economics Pass question number 5. The standard deviation is a set of data. A. Always measured from the mode. The mode is not part of the standard deviation. So mode is not part of the standard deviation because the mode looks at the most frequent occurrence of an item of series of values. B. Always measured from the median. The median is the midpoint of values, series of values. So the median is not a standard deviation of a set of data. Option C says the most representative of averages. When we talk about averages, we're talking about mean. And so the standard deviation of a set of data is not the most representative of averages. A measure of dispersion is the correct answer, because measure of dispersion also referred as measure of variability. Okay, is the degree of speed of the numerical values in a distribution. It means it measures the variation that occurs in a given set of data. And examples of measure of dispersion includes range, the quartile, the mean, deviation, the variance, and standard deviation. So on this basis, option D, a measure of dispersion, is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.